Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lorraine, and this is the Budget Era XX, where I am sharing my savings journey through playing the box challenge, which is what I'm doing today, the mini Monday saving for my sinking funds, and the 100 envelopes challenge. Yes, today we have a new box challenge, as I've completed my last box challenge. The box challenge today is my box challenge, the picnic fun basket box challenge. So yeah, let's get to it, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, please comment. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and enjoy all the view of watching me save. And let me get my cards so that I can start with my box challenge. This is the second box challenge for the year for me. My first challenge, it was a box challenge. My first box challenge, it was a box challenge from Budgeting with Amanda. And then now my second box challenge is my own box challenge. And let's see how much we're going to save using this box challenge. If you are interested in this box challenge, if you want to get one, please make sure that you get it via my community tabs. There's a Google Drive link there, and make sure that you get one for yourself. And card number 1 is a search and save. We have 3 icons, and then there's this one. It's a 1, and then I'm going to give it 10 rand. Oh guys, sorry, I have 150 that I'm playing with today. Yes, and then the second one is this one. I think I'm going to play it like this. It's only 3. I'm going to play it like this, whereby I make sure that I complete one card at the same time. And then the last one, where is this drink? There it is. It's 2. The drink is 2. I think I have to change this mark. It's not clear. And then card number 2, done with this card completed. And then card number 2, it's a basket, people, and here are they. It's 1, 1, and then the sandwich and the picnic basket there, it's 3, which means it gets 30 rands. And then the last one, which is the sandwich, it's also 3. Cut completed. Then I have to put in 30 rand in here, and I'm only left with 20 rand. I'm only left with 20 rands. I don't know, should I bring that 20 in here? or should I chance? No, I'm not chancing. I am so not chancing. I am not. I am not, because I don't want an IOU. And that was it for today. We only did the two cards today. 150 done. I'm not gonna count the money. We'll just see when we are done how much we have saved. Section 5, section 4. It seems like it's only section 3 that did not get anything. It seems like it's only that section. And then the section 1. And that was it for our today's box challenge. We'll see the box challenge again next week. Thank you guys. Oopsie. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you enjoy the content I'm sharing with you, please make sure that you subscribe if you enjoy. And please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. And if you can, please make sure that you share my content. And once again, thank you very much, and see you on my next one. Bye.